Young man, before we proceed, I need you to confirm the identities of the people named in this complaint. Yes, officer. The man standing on the veranda is Obina Uwafo, and two beside him are Uchenna Uwafo and Ngozi Uwafo. Kamsi, have you completely lost your senses? Why are you bringing armed police officers to your own family compound? Thank you. That identification is now on record. Mr. Obina Uwafo, together with Mr. Uchenna Uwafo and Mrs. Ngozi Uwafo, you are under arrest for unlawful confinement, criminal intimidation, and unlawful interference with lawful possession of property. Officer, there must be some mistake. This is a family matter that should never have reached the police. Once a complaint alleges criminal conduct, it becomes a matter for the law to investigate. You cannot embarrass our family like this in front of the entire village. The law does not change because a suspect comes from a respected family. But this will ruin us. There must be another way. The evidence is clear. I have my orders. This isn't justice. It's the law. Officer, you are making a serious mistake, and you will regret treating me like an ordinary criminal. Mr. Obina, you will have every opportunity to defend yourself before the court, but today you will come with us peacefully. Brother, tell them this is nonsense. They cannot simply walk into our village and humiliate us. Mr. Uchenna, please place your hands where I can see them while my officers carry out their duties. Kamsi, after everything this family has done for you, this is how you choose to repay us. Respect for family should never require silence in the face of injustice. This is not over, young man. You have started something you cannot finish. Officers, proceed with the arrest and transport the suspects to the High Court without further delay. This court will now hear the matter before it. I expect every person in this courtroom to speak truthfully and conduct themselves with respect. My lord, the claimant is prepared to present evidence, intimidation, and deliberate interference with my client's lawful property. My lord, I reject the allegation brought against him, Pukmitibiko. We are innocent, my lord, and we intend to prove it. Very well, proceed. Very well. Let the record reflect that the defendants have entered pleas of not guilty. Counsel, you may call your first witness. My lord, before calling my witness, I respectfully request permission to examine Mr. Obina Uwafo. Permission is granted. Mr. Obina Uwafo, please take the witness stand. I have nothing to hide, my lord, and I am prepared to answer every question put before me. The truth has waited long enough. Today, it finally has a voice. Mr. Obina, remember that you are under oath, and every answer you give must be the truth. Did Chukwudi ever refuse to support the family? Chukwudi knew everything that happened in this family, but he deliberately chose not to participate in matters concerning the Kiniko land. So your testimony today is that there is absolutely no document anywhere showing that Chukwudi contributed to that land. I stand by that statement completely because no such document exists. Thank you, Mr. Obina. Those are all my questions for now. My lord, the claimant respectfully calls Miss Amara Uwafo as the next witness. My lord, my name is Amara Uwafo, and I am ready to tell this court exactly what I know. Miss Amara, you are reminded that you are under oath and must tell this court nothing but the truth. I understand, my lord, and I have come here to speak honestly. Amara, be careful what you say because false accusations have serious consequences. Miss Amara, please explain to the court how you came into possession of the documents before. I needed my WIC results for my school registration, and Uncle Obina told me it was inside his private document folder. What happened while you were searching through that folder? I found receipts, agreements, and payment records showing that Chukwudi contributed money toward the Kiniko land, so I secretly documents before Return Read knows exactly where I found them. Sometimes the truth survives. This court has carefully examined the testimony, the documentary evidence, and the conduct of every defendant throughout these proceedings. Mr. Obina Uwafo, your sworn testimony lect agrontrents, Lord Gomu Testmo, is directly contradicted by receipts, agreements, and illotopolite interests. The evidence before this court leaves no reasonable doubt about what occurred. This court finds Obina Uwafo Uchenna criminal intimidation and unlawful interference with lawful possession of property. Each defendant is hereby sentenced to 8 months imprisonment and shall be remanded immediately to begin serving that sentence. Adaeze, enjoy this victory while it lasts because this matter is not over. It ended the day you chose greed over family. Obina Uwafo, Uchenna Uwafo, you'll now come with us peacefully. Mom, after everything they put us through, this house finally feels peaceful again. Dad would be proud that you protected us without becoming like the people who attacked us. Your father left me more than property. He left me the responsibility of protecting both of you. You carried that responsibility even when everyone expected you to break. I survived because my sons gave me a reason to keep standing. Mom, look at Tyson and the others. Even they know the danger has passed. Yes, my brave boys. We're all safe now. Tyson, Deuce, Tank, Cross, and Slay protected this home when words were no longer enough. What happens now that the case is finally over? We live, we heal, and we protect the future your father worked so hard to build. Chukwudi, I promised to protect our children and everything you left behind. Today, I kept that promise. They believed widowhood had made Adaeze powerless. Instead, grief introduced her to the strength she had carried all along. The House of Uwafo. The end. House of Uwafo was brought to you by AI African Cinema.